Hi students, we are going to start a new chapter which is superelevation. Superelevation and Cant are methods for changing the cross sections of a design to keep cars and trains safely and comfortably on their path when driving along a curve or series of curves. Superelevation tools also provide a convenient way to force the slope of a road for drainage purposes without the need for additional assemblies. Once we have a good grasp of alignment, assemblies and corridor, we can further advance our design with the superelevation and Cant tools within it, the AutoCAD Civil 3D software. Whether you are trying to tie into an existing road superelevation or creating new data, you will find the tools you need. In this chapter, we will learn how to add superelevation to an alignment, how to create a superelevation assembly, and how we can also create a rail corridor with Cant. And then we will also create a superelevation view. Before superelevation can be applied to the design, we will need a design criteria appropriate for our local design speed applied to an alignment and assembly with sub-assemblies that recognize superelevations and an understanding of superelevation critical station. So we will dive in every step in this chapter. Stay tuned with us for more.